Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing. Not sure what it is, but it came to me courtesy of CMB Made Knives, so we'll get into it. We'll check it out. We'll see what it is. First off though, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you. I want to say thank you to anyone who comes in and watches my knife, my EDC content. Thank you. I know your time's valuable, and if you find time to watch my content, hats off to you. Thank you. If you're so inclined, that little bell button notification down there and a little subscribe button, if you hit those both, it really helps me out. Helps me be seen by more people, but I'm just glad you're here. So I could just pull to open, but that wouldn't be any fun, so I'm going to use my little Amazon box opener, package opener, and I'm going to cut into this because cutting is what we do on this channel. And we're going to see, it's a black box this time. So this is a knife, again, sent out to me to check out from CMB Knives. It is CMB Made Knives. Let me see if there's something in the package. Hold on a second. I don't want to go into it cold. Alright. I think, let's see. There's my knife. I think it is a Satori, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm reading this right. We'll read it here together once I get into it. Try not to destroy the box. Alright. CMB Made Knives, the CMB 15 Black, and it is the Satori. Not mistaken, this is a pretty cool knife. I've never experienced it, but let's fold up our unboxing knife and let's get into it. So, got a CMB sticker. This one comes with the certificate of authenticity. Yeah, I was right. The Sasori blade M390 handle 6AL4V titanium. Desingner Tiguass blade surface handmade belt satin hardness 5862 HRC. So there's that, and we've got a little CMB logo on the back. Little troll candy in here, as well as a CMB pouch. So let's gather up our stuff and let's see what a Sasori looks like. Am I saying that right? Am I pronouncing that right? Sasori? I think that's right. Alright, so we got another little bit of troll candy in here. Really nice pouch that'll hold two knives. Got a little cleaning cloth here. And, ooh, it's a little guy. I like it. So far, I like little knives. I cannot lie. Open, attention, you're buying a knife. Keep the knife away from children. Always good to know. Okay, so this is a little gentleman's folder, guys. That's what I'm interpreting it as, a small gentleman's folder. I'm interested to get in and look at this hand satin blade, but first things first, I'm going to grab a rag, or it's been generously lubed up. I'm going to kind of clean off some of its travel schmutz. Let's see what we got here. So we've got the CMB blades, and this must be Tiguass. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Maker's Mark. You've got a titanium backspacer. Really nice looking knife. No blade exposed. I love that on a gentleman's folder. You've got this really nice low profile knife. Let's see how it goes in and out of pocket, just out of curiosity. Pocket clip works very well. Deep carry. to about right here, which is plenty deep. Okay, that's different. Look at that beautiful little knife. You got a little bit of recurve. You got this hollow grind right here. Sharpening choil, where you can see where your plunge stops, so you do have a nice little sharpening choil. And then you've got this tonso that goes up almost to a Persian. Very interesting. Guys, I love different knives, and this is definitely so unique and original. So it's a small knife. When I say small knife, I don't have a lot out here. I've got the mini bug out, and I've got the fin rear. So you can tell it's much smaller than the fin rear. It's going to be kind of in that same size range as our mini bug out. Now it's probably going to have a longer blade because that blade fills up that handle. You've got a really nice flipper tab that has jimping. It doesn't come across the roll here, but you've got jimping right here that absolutely fires the knife open. So whether I push button it or light switch it, it's got a very, very well placed, well designed, well articulated flipper tab. So I'm just dying to cut with this. Look at the grind on this. You got this hand grind, little bit of recurve here, and then you've got this nice flat going up to a absolute, I mean, splinter digger. That thing is a needle point. Not to be confused with the craft that some people like to engage in. I don't mean that kind of needle point. So let's see what we got. Is there a little back grind? A little therapeutically slicey. Guys, it is a slicer. It is, I'm sure, a package opening machine. Look at that. Talk about an acute point. Doesn't take hardly anything to catch that paper. So you got a couple of different edges to do a couple of different things with, which to me, on a gentleman's knife, something like this, I think it serves, and I'll carry it and let you know what I really think about it after I've had a chance to kind of experience it. But for me, even though I'm not currently spending time at the office, I look at things that will get into letters, that'll get into boxes, reams of paper, that'll get into packages, that I might need to cut something that's a little bit more, requiring a little bit more bite, a little bit more sliciness. So you've got this slicey edge here towards the heel. You've got this nice pokey tip. You've got your blade steel right here, M390, right by the flipper tab. Absolutely sterile blade, not a mark on this knife anywhere except the clip. I really like that. I also like the barrel hardware, the way that this, you've got these two barrels and then you've got your pivots. Very clean, very gorgeous. Just a beautiful knife. I want to thank CMB for setting it out to let me try it out. I will definitely give you my my feedback after I carry it. You guys, it's one of those knives that looks unique to me. It's something that is different, and it's something that I'm excited to try out. I think it's going to function very well. It does have a steel lock bar insert there, but we'll get into more of that on the review. May even put some skiffs in it. We'll see what happens. But guys, this is the CMB knives. If I'm pronouncing it right, Sasori. I can't think of another way to pronounce it. So I'm going to call it the CMB Sasori. Little flipper action, gentleman's folder knife, absolutely no blade exposed. Very, very comfortable in hand. very much a Slurpee saver should you need it to be. But yeah, guys, really think that's cool. That is the CMB blade Sasori unboxing. We'll get back and look at it a little bit closer, go through, check it out, do some size comparisons, get some measurements, do a review. I think it deserves it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you're so inclined, thumbs up help, thumbs down help. Also, it lets me know that I'm doing something good, doing something bad. Not that I really need that affirmation, but what I do need is you to please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please keep an eye out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.